Hello everyone. So this is about the reference layer and the importance in the LibreCAD design. So in fact, I have two things in here. The one is the design of the parts, and another is the text. I do not want to cut that text out of my plastic sheet. I just want to engrave it. So the way I do it is first of all create a reference layer. So if I hide all the layers and just show the reference layer, you can see nothing. The reference layer is just a tiny dot at the here at the origin. So this is my starting point. So my design knows that this is where I start my design. So another thing is this whole design, the pieces that I want to cut at the 100% power of the laser, and the passes according to my material. So while this is visible, I'll just go to export and export it as a first layer for my laser device, laser GRPL. And then I'll just hide this layer and this, no, not the reference layer. And if I show the text layer, I can position the text layer somewhere at some proper location, here or here, wherever I want to. Okay. And now what I'll do, I'll just hide the design layer and then make the text layer visible, because my and make the reference layer visible as well. So when I'll just export this part as SVG, what will happen? This text will be at the proper location at my design. So essentially, I'll be exporting two layers: the one with the reference layer and the design, and the second with the reference layer and the text. So let's go to the laser GRPF. The first thing, I'll open the file, and here I'll select the original design in here. So I want to cut it off. So what will happen? I'll just do the laser power to 100 and the speed to maybe 100. So I want it slow and cut it. Okay, so this is the design, and then I'll go again, go to the append the file, and now I'll select the text that I exported earlier. So for the text, I'll just go for a 4000 speed, and I'll go for the speed of like the percentage of 30% of power, 300 and 300. So you can see 30% power here. And so this will just mildly rub off the plastic on the top of the layer. So here, now you can see this is the next layer in here. So I have stacked two layers. The one is the cutting layer, which is the design, and then I have the engraving layer. Now I can just do the connect my machine and click on play button to start doing the job as a whole.